If you are looking for a deliciously moist and rich coconut cake recipe,
Yum.
then you will absolutely love this unique Sri Lankan Bibikkan recipe that my friend Nadi shared with me last week. Here is the Sri Lankan coconut cake recipe she sent me.
To make this delicious coconut cake, start by mixing 80 grams or 2/3 cup of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Toast half a teaspoon of fennel seeds, 2 cardamom pods and 2 cloves for 2 minutes on medium heat. Then crush them into a powder with a mortar and pestle and throw away the cardamom shells. Next, put in a pan 60 grams or a quarter cup of jaggery and 360 milliliters or 1.5 cups of coconut treacle. Stir over medium heat until it starts to bubble. Then, add 200 grams or 2.5 cups of shredded coconut and give it a good mix. Now, turn off the heat and add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 125 grams or 1 cup of chopped dates, 60 grams or half a cup of chopped cashews, 30 grams or a quarter cup of raisins, ground spices from earlier, zest of half a lime, and 30 grams or a quarter cup of chopped crystallized ginger. Give all the ingredients a really good mix till everything is well combined. Next, add 60 grams or 1/3 of a cup of semolina and give it another good mix. Now slowly mix in the flour and baking powder blend we prepared earlier, stirring until the flour is fully incorporated into the cake batter. Pour the cake batter into a 6-inch parchment paper covered baking dish and smooth out the top with a spatula. Bake the cake in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 minutes. After 50 minutes, take the cake out of the oven and drizzle about 4 tablespoons of coconut treacle over the cake and spread it around with a baking brush till the top is evenly covered. Then decorate the cake with some cashew halves on top. Then put the cake back in the oven and bake it at 150 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit for about another 25 minutes. Once the cake is ready, take it out of the oven and let it cool for 10 minutes before serving.
If you liked this moist and rich Sri Lankan coconut cake recipe, then you will absolutely love this moist and crumbly Sri Lankan love cake recipe here. Check it out now.